School's out. Many parents have been sifting through childcare options, with most of them being pricey. And that has a lot of local families trying to figure out a workaround. Let's get to ABC10 News reporter Marie Cornell, who's joining us live from Little Blossoms Childcare in Chula Vista. Marie, this is a struggle that some families have to deal with year-round.
Yeah, absolutely, Virginia. So while each family has a different story, just like the ending of these books, at the end of the day, the focus is on finding a safe environment for their kids and also trying to figure out how to pay for it.
There you go. Good job.
For Paulina Coronado, being a mom is about making sure her son is taken care of, which can be difficult, especially living off of her own income, working part-time while going to school.
Even if you make, like, let's say $30 an hour, like, that's still not even enough to make, like, towards your childcare.
Leo is 3 years old and has been going to Little Blossoms Childcare in Chula Vista since he was 1. Even though Paulina gets some financial assistance from the state to cover childcare costs, like most families, there's still an out-of-pocket cost that can be pricey.
I don't think if I didn't have that, like, basically, like, all my paycheck would be going towards care, like childcare. So I don't think I would even have enough to be able to, like, make ends.
Little Blossoms Childcare Director Marian Algori says that's a situation many families must deal with.
Now you're putting this family to make a decision whether to have a roof above their heads, put food on the table, or pay for those family fees.
And that's why Congresswoman Sara Jacobs is pushing for the Child Care for Every Community Act, which aims to ensure that every family has access to affordable child care by establishing a network of federally supported, locally run child care providers. Under this bill, providers would be paid a living wage and families would pay no more than 7% of their household income.
The number one thing we know families need to be able to go to work is actually someone to care for their children. And so investing in child care helps families go back to work. It helps make sure that the next generation is well set up for the future.
Assistance, Paulina says, would go a long way as many try to find ways to pay for childcare until their kids are old enough to go to school.
Until then, you have to find a way out, like either stay home or try to find something affordable that's going to work around you.